Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I'll show you how to translate your words on Google Sheets. So if you were trying to seeking the definition of word in English to Tamil to Korean to sing to what else, you just go to your Google Sheet and doing this formula. So for example, I have in English good morning, and then in Tamil is magandang umaga. Here the formula is Google Translate. See, this is the new formula in 2022 Google Translate. A2 the cell reference, and then DEN. EN is the code for English, and then TL is the code for Tamil. And then for Korean, you just do the same thing, but the code is English to Korean. So I try to make another word, for example, breakfast. I just drag that formula to the bottom. Now see, this is the word breakfast in Tamil, and then this is the word breakfast in the Korean. For example, another thing is, for example, marriage. See, this is the marriage in Tamil, and this is from Korean. So the thing is, you have to find the code of your language or your mother tongue language, which is you can search or you can trial and error, which is TL or TO or ID or IN, and so on and so on and so on. Okay, that's it. This tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.